either have to sell comparatively more products per child in order to keep our market size, or the market shrinks. Except for the new magic, which is kidults. So potentially this is a much larger market, and the reason why I use this boring pyramid is to actually show you, just look at how many more people are in these areas here than in these areas here. Our entire industry relies on, you may not be able to see, but basically it's 0 to 4 and 5 to 9, which is these bottom two here. And so effectively, if we can access all of this, potentially the market is much bigger. And I'm going to give you one personal example from where I've seen just how big this has become already. So I live in the UK, relatively middle class area, so people have a little bit of money, but I know 4 people in my social group. It's not a very big social group. I know 4 people who have this product here, which is if you haven't seen it, it's a Lego Star Wars Millennium Falcon. As a kidult, it's like the ultimate, really. It's maybe, depending on the market, maybe 600, 700, 800 euros. It's not a small throwaway item. So in the traditional toy industry, we spend all our time dealing with the fact our retailers tell us lower price, lower price. It's a small sample, of course, but I know 4 people who own this thing worth hundreds of euros, and probably quite a lot of you would too. So the reality is that there's a new world out there for us to go and access, but we have to think differently about how we're going to do it.